Hi everyone, welcome to DVS Math.
Hi, let us continue the triangles lesson, exercise 2.4. In previous session we discussed question number 1, which is related to area of similar triangle theorem. So we are moving on to the next. So let's understand the question first. Question is like this. So understand the question. Diagonals of a trapezium ABCD. So here it is ABCD is a trapezium. You can observe the figure. With AB is parallel to DC. Yes, as you all know, in trapezium, any one pair it is parallel, right? So here AB is parallel to DC. Intersect, that means diagonals. These two diagonals are intersecting at point O. Okay. If AB is equal to 2CD, AB is equal to 2CD, find the ratio of the areas of, okay, areas of triangle AOB and COD. Okay, let's start, and this is also very simple. So understand the question. First let's write the given, that is ABCD. ABCD is a trapezium and here AB is parallel to CD and the diagonals are intersecting at point O. Okay, and AB is 2 times of CD. So this is given part. So let's find the area of this. So now as they are saying that we have to find the area of these two triangles, as you all know, whenever if you are finding the areas of two triangles, they should be similar, right? As the statement itself says that about area of similar triangle theorem, that is the ratio of area of two similar triangle theorem. So here first we have to prove that AOB and COD are similar. After that only we can find the area of those two. Okay, so let's find in triangle AOB and triangle COD. So it is marked here, observe these two. So first, as you all know, this, that is AOB and COD are equal because they are vertically opposite angles. Okay, that you can give the reason. So angle AOB is equal to angle COD because they are vertically opposite angles. Then as you are observing, that is they are saying that AB is parallel to CD and AB is parallel to CD. This AB is parallel to CD. If they are parallel, we can consider AC as a transversal. AC is a transversal, and if it is a transversal, we can consider their alternate angles are equal. That is angle OAB is equal to angle OCD. They are alternate angles. So by, as you all know, in any two triangles, at least two angles are equal. By AA similarity, we can consider it those two triangles are similar. That is triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD. Triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD by AA similarity. Yes, now we got two triangles are similar. So now we can apply the ratio, right? So let's move on to the ratio. So as they said, as we proved that triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD. So now we can apply their area. So that is area of triangle AOB divided by area of triangle COD. But when you are considering the sides, observe here they gave that AB is equal to 2 times of CD. That means you have to consider these two sides. That is AB you have to consider, CD you have to consider. So AB by CD whole square. So as you all know, AB is equal to 2 times of CD. Substitute 2 CD by CD. CD cancel, right? 2 by 1 whole square. 2 by 1 whole square means 2 square is 4. 1 square is 1. So what will be the ratio? 4 is to 1, which is very simple. First, whenever they give to find the area of any two triangles, first you have to make them, the two triangles are similar. Okay, how you will prove that they're similar? Take any two angles are equal, right? So by AA similarity, make them similar, and if they're similar, directly you go for the area. Okay, area, and substitute the given, that is AB is equal to 2CD. So CD cancel. So 2 by 1 whole square. 2 square it is 4. 1 square it is 1. So what will be the ratio in this case? 4 is to 1. Okay, so this is about question number 2 in exercise 2.4, which is related to area of similar triangle theorem.
For more exercise questions, subscribe my channel. Keep watching. Thank you.